Hello guys. Today I am making another bath bomb. I'm calling this one Wonderful Girl because I'm doing two different colors and I'm using lakes. This is a blue lake and I've added this to my solubilizer and fragrance for now. And this is orange and red lake. And I have here, because I'm not using any oils or any SLSA or any of that stuff, so this is an oil-free surfactant free bath bomb. I have liquid soap here. This is my liquid soap that I made from scratch. I make my own liquid soap, and not to confuse liquid soap with body washes, because there's a difference. Soap is always made with lye, and you can't have soap without lye. So this is a soap, liquid soap I'm using, and I did add some of my glitter to it, and I will add this to my ingredients, dry ingredients I have here. I have a milk powder, baking soda, cream of tartar, and I have here my citric acid, which I'm going to add before I add the liquid. And just mix it in there. You see me lifting up this bowl I'm looking for. Okay, another ingredient I have, I don't know where I put that one. That's my silk, liquid silk. I have no idea where I put that. Let me go look for it. It is gloomy out there, like so gloomy weather out there. There's some liquid silk I'm gonna add to. Let me add the liquid soap first. I have to split this in half so I can add my colors. I have no idea what's going on with the weather. It's practically the middle of May. We're in the middle of May. And I tell you, outside is gloomy, raining, and it's still on the cold side. So I have no idea when we're going to have any kind of spring. I guess we're gonna go straight into summertime. I have no idea what's going on weather-wise. I'm sure some of you're experiencing the same. And this is my liquid silk here. I use it to help as a binder. And then I'm just going to split this and color it with the two different colors. Okay, so I have my bath bomb split into two, and this seems very dry, right? But it's not. It is not. Look at that. You can still hold it together, and that's just from the silk and the liquid soap. So I'm doing two colors here, and I am not going to add it all at the same time. I'm just going to add a little bit to the mix, and a little bit to the, who knows, I might not have to use all of it. I mismeasured. I sure did. I sure did. Measured it all too much. I have to mix this up with my hands. But I do like the blue that I'm getting here. I think I like the blue. Oh, if you can smell this fragrance here, I'm all dizzy from this fragrance. It's so intense. Very intense. I can't afford to let that blue stay on my counter. Okay, I'm just gonna work this out with my hands. And I do hate when this bath bomb is like, it has this white nonsense to it. Ooh, the fragrance is deep. Ooh. Okay, I'm gonna finish mixing that up. All right, I am back with my mixture here, and oh, I think I want to start off. I have very little space here. I'm gonna put a flower in my mold, and hopefully it doesn't crack when I'm when I'm packing it. Oh my gosh. And hopefully let's put it in a little bit, press it down a little bit. Oh, this is just ridiculous. It's good to switch things around. I have to put that in there because I want some of the blue to be in here. And the only thing I do not like is that my colors are mixing in, and I don't like that. No, I do not like that at all. Nope. This mixture feels very dry, but I promise you it's not dry. It is wet. Hope you can see me crushing it here. And by just squeezing it, my mold starts to lift off. see the star there? It's there, and I'll show you how I'm gonna take that off. I'm going to show you what I will do. Just dust it off like that, and voila. Okay, so I'm gonna finish this off, and that's my Wonderful Woman bath bomb, or Wonderful Girl, or whatever. I will finish this off, and I will bring you back when I'm all finito. I think I'll probably be only getting 2 out of this, and let's see. We will see. We will see. Okay, I am finished making my Wonderful Woman bath bomb, and I will make another video to demonstrate how these float in the water. If they float, I don't rarely ever have sinkers, but these beauties are just gorgeous. Very nice. Okay guys, I'll see you in the next video.